Sizzla fans, big news. After skipping the One Caribbean Music Festival in Trinidad, Sizzla Kalonji is teasing a surprise pop-up show. The reggae legend says he missed the festival due to a contractual breach by the promoter, the same issue that also kept Vybz Kartel off the stage. Now Sizzla's team is asking fans, should we do a Sizzla Friends Unplugged show this Saturday? The response? Over 95% of fans said yes. No venue or ticket info yet, but this could be the real show fans were hoping for after what many called the most disastrous event in TT's entertainment history. Would you go to Sizzla's pop-up show? Comment below and subscribe for more Caribbean music updates.
Say, love the doubles.
Barry.
Yeah, man.
I can.
Yeah.
It's really feel me I leave Jamaica. Come to Trinidad. I'm a door work. Need for the something at Trinidad.
So it's your line up something.
Yeah, find a venue. Something. Let's go. Working for the people.
You know, say Bungie they keep on dancing, but they mad dancing, you know, you're asking which
Get
one.
Bungie.
Yo,
Yarlid. Boom bam.
greetings. What you saying? Yes, bro.
We need to keep a show at Trinidad. Want a venue. Yes, they do a good thing with it.
Yeah, so you need a venue now.
Right now.
Alright, kid, I'll call Faye now, and Faye will find that spot we used last time.
Done deal.
Stand by, I'll call you back, right?
Alright, right now.
Goodness.
Sizzla still in the country, so yes. I feel you move here, you know, but that besides the point. They're talking concert. I say, okay, cool. I'll make some calls. Some forge. What we gonna do?
Women, women.
By you, pop up.